She was a rising tennis star, a former state level player, and a 25-year-old with dreams of empowering young girls through sport. But one quiet afternoon in Gurugram, she was shot dead by her own father. Why would a father kill his daughter? What triggered this brutal act, and what are the secrets that lie behind the walls of that family home? This is a shocking and stunning case of Radhika Yadav which has left the whole nation stunned and surprised yet again. Who was Radhika Yadav? Radhika was not just another girl from Gurugram. She was a passionate athlete, a former state-level tennis player who played in 36 ITF singles events and 7 doubles events. Her last professional match? March 2024. But when she stepped away from competitive tennis, she didn't disappear. She gave back. She started training younger students, renting courts in Gurgaon, and even featured in a music video called Karwan. Her dream was to coach and inspire a strong, self-made woman who earned her own money. But for some reason, especially inside her home, that success came at a cost. The day everything changed. It was around 4 p.m. on July 11, 2025, inside the family home in Sector 7, Gurugram. An argument broke out. Neighbors reported shouting. Moments later, gunshots. When police arrived, Radhika was laying unconscious on the floor. She was then rushed to hospital and upon arrival was declared dead. She was shot 4 times and the man who pulled the trigger was her own father, Deepak Yadav, 49 years old. He was arrested on the spot, but why would a father do this? According to the police statement, Deepak was enraged. Radhika had been earning well, independently running tennis coaching sessions, but her father reportedly felt humiliated. Society taunted him. You live off your daughter's money. In traditional households, especially in conservative pockets of India, a daughter being more successful than her father can trigger deep-rooted issues of patriarchy, toxic masculinity, and perceived loss of honor. Confessed by Radhika's father, he had been planning this murder already for 3 days. He sent away the relatives, Radhika's mom and Radhika's brother, out and was looking for the right moment to act upon it. Any case of love jihad has been ruled out by the police. What was the motive? Jealousy? Control? Honor? Radhika's Instagram was private with only 69 followers. She wasn't seeking fame, but she was just following her passion. Though it was said that she started her Instagram journey by uploading videos of her tennis journey and fitness related post, but her father was not really comfortable with her doing that. He did put a lot of restrictions on whatever she did. He convinced her to keep her account private and not to post out there. What her best friend said.
मीडिया में बहुत बातें सुनी होंगी, बट मैं बताती हूँ राधिका यादव की सच्चाई। मेरा नाम हिमांशिका सिंह है। राधिका यादव मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी। हम पिछले 8-10 साल से बहुत क्लोज थे एंड आई जस्ट लॉस्ट। आपके पास किसी के पास कुछ प्रूफ क्यों नहीं है? लव जिहाद, वो किसी से बात भी नहीं करती थी। उसके घर पे इतनी ज्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थी, बट वो बहुत टाइम से ना अपने घर पे सफर कर रही थी। बहुत ज्यादा उसको ना घर पे बहुत ज्यादा घुटन महसूस होती थी, क्योंकि ऐसे कौन ही रहना चाहेगा यार, हर चीज का एक्सप्लेन करते रहना कि क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, किससे बात कर रहे हो। आई रिमेम्बर वीडियो कॉल्स पे भी उसको दिखाना पड़ता था कि अभी देखो हिमांशिका से मेरी बात हो रही है। मैं कल उसके घर गई हूँ तो मुझे पता चला है कि एक्चुअली उसका मर्डर पिछले 3 दिनों से प्लान हो रहा था। रिवॉल्वर लेकर आए थे एंड बस उसकी मॉम को दूसरे कमरे में रखा था, उसके भाई को किसी बहाने से बाहर भेज दिया गया था। 5 गोलियां कौन सा बाप मारता है, मुझे तो ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा। इतना उसने क्या ही करा था। अपेरेंटली उसके डैड उसके फ्रेंड्स, उनके फ्रेंड्स के इन्फ्लुएंस में आके, क्योंकि उनके जो फ्रेंड्स थे वो बहुत ज्यादा जेलस हो गए थे राधिका की सक्सेस से। वो 4 लोग जिनकी बातें सुन के उसके पापा ने वो गोली चलाई है, वो 4 बातें ये थी कि ये तो मेकअप करने लग गई है, ये तो छोटे कपड़े पहनती है, ये अब तो तू इसके पैसों पे पलने लग गया है, तू तो अब इसको धंधा ही करवा दे। मतलब मेरे को इस चीज का जवाब दे दो कि कब तक लड़कियां मरेंगी बिकॉज ऑफ मेन और उनका जो फ्रेजाइल ईगो है।
Radhika's best friend, Himanshika Singh Rajput, said in a heartbreaking interview, he was planning it. He sent everyone away, her mother, her brother, and no one was around. He kept saying Radhika is showing attitude, she is earning now, she doesn't listen. The friend went on to say that Deepak treated Radhika as if she was a criminal in her own home. Her success threatened his sense of control. The aftermath and court hearing. On July 12th, Deepak Yadav was presented to the court. He admitted to the shooting and was remanded to the police custody for a day. The investigators call it an open and shut case, but was it really that simple? Many believe that this case represents much more than just a family dispute. It shows what happens when ego, control, and patriarchy turns deadly. Media reaction and public outcry. News channels picked up to the story instantly. The video Carvan, where Radhika featured, jumped from 21k views to over 1.2 lakh within days. People were shocked, saddened, and angry. Some even tried to paint this as love jihad incident, but her friend and her co-star Inam responded with dignity. He pledged all the music video earnings to feed the poor in Radhika's name. The message was clear. This was not the case of inter-religious lover scandal.
और हमारी पर्सनल लेवल पे इतनी भी बातचीत नहीं थी कि शूट के बाद हाय हेलो या बाय कुछ भी हुआ हो। सारे सीन डन हुए, वो चले गए, मैं चला गया, क्योंकि ये मेरे लिए नॉर्मल है। मैं ऐसे शूट करता आया हूँ इंडस्ट्री में, मैंने बहुत काम किया है और आगे भी करूँगा, लेकिन ये मेरे लिए बिल्कुल अनएक्सपेक्टेड है जो हो रहा है, और इसको हिंदू मुस्लिम का एंगल भी दिया जा रहा है, क्योंकि मैं सोच नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है। ऐसे इन फ्यूचर अगेन किसी का ऐसे मर्डर हो जाए जो मेरे साथ काम कर चुकी है, तो अगेन मुझ पे बात आएगी या क्या नहीं है। बट राधिका का सोशल मीडिया है नहीं इंस्टा पर अभी कहीं भी, तो एक फुटेज मेरे गाने की पड़ी हुई है यूट्यूब पर, इसीलिए वो हाईलाइट ज़्यादा हो रही है। ये गाना बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो इसका मतलब वो अपने फादर की भी परमिशन लेके आए थे।
फैमिली अवेयर थी मतलब आपको?
हाँ बिल्कुल,
वो शूटिंग करने जा
क्योंकि वहाँ पर 1-to-1 राधिका और मैं नहीं थे। राधिका की पूरी फैमिली को पता था, मेरे पास बड़ी टीम थी, डायरेक्टर, प्रोडक्शन हेड, तो ये एक तरह से हम बोल सकते हैं कि एक प्रोफेशनल कनेक्शन था राधिका के साथ में।
It was a crime born from control and damaged sense of honor. Radhika's story is not just about one family, it's about thousands of women in India who face subtle resistance for being ambitious, independent, and outspoken. When a daughter succeeds, it should be a reason for pride and not paranoia. We need to ask ourselves, why is women's independence still seen as a threat? How more Radhikas will it take before real change can happen? It's time we listen, it's time we act. Radhika Yadav was only 25. She could have trained champions. She could have become one again. But her journey was cut short by someone who was supposed to protect her. Let her story not be forgotten. If you believe women deserve to live, lead, and dream without fear, share this video and spread her story. Rest in power, Radhika. I hope you find peace. If you want more such true crime cases, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and comment your thoughts below. You're watching Oh My Boo podcast, and I am your host, Bhumika Mehta. Stay aware, stay safe.